Okay everyone, so now I'm about to go use the subway here in Seoul. The No Brand Burger place is pretty good. I've eaten burgers there a couple of times. Very good. There's a McDonald's across the street, somewhere across the street, but this No Brand Burger place is just as good. So now we're going to enter the subway. First time I came here, but I think I got it now. So they have all these little stores down here in the subway stations, and the subway lines out are this way. So they're pretty smart. They make you walk through the shopping to get to the actual subway platform, which makes a lot of sense to me, I guess, if you're a capitalist. If you're a businessman. I need to buy a few souvenirs while I'm still here. Be here probably another week, but I think that'll all work out. So this will be the second time I rode the subway system. First time I rode it, I kind of got lost, but I think I know what I'm doing this time. So we will see. We will see. Got to use my card. I'm going to put my subway card right here.
마스크에 착용하세요.
Okay. So now we got to go downstairs to the blue line. Then I have to transfer to the brown line. But quite a bit of walking in their subway stations, I notice. But I guess that's good for your health. Okay, so escalator down to the blue line platform. Lots of people using the subway. Stand to the right so the people on the left can pass. Today is Sunday. A little bit busier than the last time I came here. I guess people are off and they're moving around. They use the subway system here quite a bit. They have a huge subway system, as I mentioned in a video before. I got to look at the sign again, just to be sure I'm going to the right location. Pretty sure I got to get on this one here. Arts College, no. No. I'm almost positive it's this one. Where's the sign? There's a sign usually with all the here it is. There's a sign with all the stops on it. Okay, yep. So I'm here now at 424. I need to go to 428 where I get the brown line to Etihad. And here comes the train. This time I need to make sure I get off that full. Subway car. Really not that full. I imagine it gets pretty full in rush hour. Anyhow, I'm going to cut the video here and start it again when I change trains.